Have you learned the meaning of belongs to and subset properly? Then try solving this problem. Which of the following is true? Option A belongs to the set containing the elements singleton A, B. Option B, the set B, C is a subset of the set containing A and the set B, C. Option C, the set A, B is a subset of the set containing A, the set B, C. Option D, none of this. We use the symbol belongs to say that the element is in that set. Now, the elements of this sets are singleton A and just B. So, just A is not an element of this set. So, this option is not correct. Coming to option B, here B, C is an element. So, we have to use the symbol belongs to here, not the subset. So, this is also not the correct answer. Come to option C. A is an element. B is contained in the element the set B, C. So, they are from the different group. So, subset is not true. Even we cannot use the symbol belongs to here. So, this is also not the correct answer. So, the answer is none of these. For any two sets A and B, A minus of A minus B is equal to option A, B, option B, A minus B, option C, A intersection B, option D, A complement intersection B complement. Are you looking to solve like this? You don't need this method to solve this problem in seconds. So, you just need a Venn diagram to solve this problem. Let us write the Venn diagram of A and B. This is how it looked like. The first circle represents the set A and the second circle represents the set B, and the region where they are overlapping is A intersection B. Now, what is the region A minus B? It is this region. Now, the entire set A is this region which I marked with the purple color. Now, we have to delete A minus B from set A. From this, we are eliminating this region. So, we get it this region in green color, which is A intersection B. So, the answer is A intersection B. If A and B are two sets, then A union B complement union of A complement intersection B is equal to option A complement, option B A, option C B complement, option D none of this. Are you again thinking of De Morgan's law? No, don't go for it. Just think of the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram of the set A and B. Now, what is the region A union B complement? It is this region outside the two circles. Now, what is the region A complement intersection B? It is this region with the green shade. When we take the union of these two, what we are getting? We have all the elements except A, which is A complement. So, the answer is A complement. If you don't write the Venn diagram, then you have to go for these steps. But Venn diagram is much easier